Acantholysis is defined as a loss of intercellular connections between keratinocytes of the epidermis. The epidermis is the outermost layer of skin composed of keratinocytes, and the keratinocytes are the cells that form the building blocks of skin. An easier way to understand the term acantholysis is to break down the word acantholysis into acantho, which means thorny or spiny. This refers to the thorny processes between the cells called desmosomes that allow the cells to stick together, and lysis, which means to break down and or destroy. This is a very simple diagram showing how normal skin cells stick together using desmosomes. And this simple diagram shows how when the spiny processes or desmosomes are lost due to acantholysis, the cells start to fall apart. And this results in reddening of the skin, erosions, blisters or bulli forming, and ultimately crusting of the affected area. There are many skin conditions that are characterised by acantholysis, and these include Pemphigus vulgaris, Hailey-Hailey disease, Darier's disease, transient acantholytic dermatosis or Grover's disease, and herpes simplex, to name but a few. Here is an example of acantholysis in Pemphigus vulgaris, where the keratinocytes above the basal layer have started to fall apart and form a bulla or blister. This is another example of acantholysis, and this is Hailey-Hailey disease, and you can see that the keratinocytes in the epidermis are falling apart, resembling a dilapidated brick wall. And finally, here is another condition characterized by acantholysis, and this is Darier's disease. And here the cells above the basal layer are falling apart, resulting in a cleft forming.